Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Forsley. I specialize in helping patients who struggle with complicated or unresolved thyroid disorders. A question you will want to ask any practitioner you are thinking of working with is this: what specifically do you do for low thyroid? What most doctors do for low thyroid conditions is first order TSH, T3, and T4 lab tests. I have found this to be inadequate. Our lab testing is more comprehensive because we are looking at the many underlying causes of your thyroid condition. Looking only at TSH, T3, and T4 will only tell you what medication your medical doctor will prescribe. There are over 30 factors involved in optimal thyroid function. We will address these factors. There are 8 major thyroid patterns. Determining which patterns apply to you is essential for optimal thyroid management. I have been in practice for over 31 years helping people with chronic health conditions using holistic therapy. I have seen more people with thyroid disorders than any other condition. I have developed some very effective protocols for managing thyroid conditions. Your first step on the road to your thyroid recovery is calling our office for a free consultation.